Sandwiches are beautiful. Sandwiches are fine. I like sandwiches. I eat them all the time. I eat so many ham and cheese sandwiches. An Egg McMuffin is a type of breakfast sandwich. Sometimes I eat fancy club sandwiches, with fries of course. I often eat tuna fish salad sandwiches. I eat lots of submarine sandwiches. They are so big. I've never eaten a Philly cheese steak sandwich. Have you? I don't often eat open-face sandwiches. I eat turkey sandwiches with lots of mayonnaise, leftovers from Thanksgiving. I love egg salad sandwiches. Use lots of mayo. Of course, I eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches every day. Pulled pork sandwiches are delicious. Tomato and mayonnaise sandwiches are great in summer. Bacon, lettuce and tomato. Toast your bread. Grilled cheese is a favorite sandwich of mine. So comforting. When I go to New York, I have a pastrami sandwich. When I feel like a lot of meat, I order a roast beef sandwich with lots of mustard. When I'm really hungry, I make a double-decker sandwich. A wrap is a great sandwich. Put whatever you want in it! A falafel sandwich is Lebanese and made with chickpeas and tahini sauce. When it's hot, I love an ice cream sandwich. What's your favorite type of sandwich? What's in it? How do you make it? Let us know in the comments. Happy sandwich eating! The end.